Elon Musk was born in South Africa in 1971. He was a highly curious, intelligent, and imaginative child who loved reading books and exploring new ideas. He spent countless hours reading educational and scientific books. His remarkable interest in technology made him different from other children. Even at a young age, he was an ambitious and determined boy. Instead of wasting time, he focused on learning valuable skills. At just 12 years old, he created an impressive video game and successfully sold it. Later, he moved to Canada and then to the United States to pursue better opportunities and a brighter future. His entrepreneurial journey was challenging, risky, and unpredictable, but he remained confident and persistent. He founded innovative companies such as Tesla and SpaceX. These revolutionary companies transformed the automobile and space industries. Tesla produces advanced electric vehicles, while SpaceX develops powerful rockets and sophisticated spacecraft. Elon Musk is widely known for his visionary thinking, extraordinary creativity, and relentless work ethic. Despite numerous difficulties and unexpected failures, he never gave up. His inspiring story teaches us the importance of perseverance, courage, and innovation. Today, Elon Musk is one of the most influential, successful, and admired entrepreneurs in the world.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe. I worked hard on this video, and watching till the end really supports the channel. Thank you.